Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just want to talk about the importance of knowing how to use computer. There are people who still think that computer skill is not necessary. Let me tell you, there are people who have lost their job simply because they don't know how to use computers. You might be there in your company working as a cleaner or someone who is doing just manual work. And there comes a time whereby your boss wants to uplift you to the next position, maybe a secretary or someone who can work in one of his offices. And because of your good work as being a cleaner, he just wants to uplift you to the next level. But first, you must have known how to use computer. And when they ask you that, do you know how to use computer so that you can work in that office? You say no. By doing that, it means that that opportunity will not wait for you. They will get someone who knows how to use computer, and then they hire that person instead of you. You see, that opportunity which was supposed to be yours has now been given to someone else. Why? Because you don't know how to use computer. In this era, you are supposed to know how to use Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, internet, like that. When you are given a work by your boss, you can be able to present your work in a manner which is required by that company. So you not knowing how to use these digital machines will put you in a very awkward situation, and you might end up losing a better opportunity for you not knowing that. So I advise you that wherever you are, around that area, there are people who are teaching computers. You can get your time, get yourself like just few hours, go and learn computers. They are just nearby cybers where people are learning computers. You can go and enroll yourself. You pay for part-time tuition. You learn how to use computer. In an event, you get a job like that or anywhere else in another company which require only computer personnel, you'll be able to get that job.